Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is my 3x3 average from the same online competition that I've been uploading all my averages from, which is the 12th edition of Cubelelo SpeedCubing Unlocked. And I did decently well, I feel, although I could have done better. And the really sad part, so the average was a 9.6 average. And the really sad part about it is that the last two solves kind of messed up the whole average, and it could have been much better if they were better solves. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. And yeah, the average is fine, I feel. And tomorrow I'll be uploading my 5x5 average from the comp, and after that is the video you've all been waiting for, which is the 5x5 walkthrough solves. And yeah, so stay tuned for that and have fun. See you. So